Looks very funny. It looks again like they have changed the letter A. But this is not the case. Is that O is round and then they cut it in the middle and use the right hand. So it's like letter O that I've cut in the middle. Okay? And I've used the right part, which is a short O sound. O, everybody.
O.
All the words I'm going to present to you.
Bus.
2.
Bus.
3.
Bus.
4.
Bus.
And the last?
Lot.
Excellent. Just as I said, this is O, and now the second one is O. O. O.
O.
Everybody?
O.
Okay. Now all the words that I'm going to show you, they all have the O sound. Let's jump into it. The first one is
Balls.
the second,
Call.
third,
Mall.
fourth.
Dog.
Say it again.
Dog.
I see your tongue is moving up a little. Don't shake your tongue. The L is not pronounced. It's talk. Everybody.
Dog.
The next.
Ball.
Okay. So have board. Okay.